didn't know I was a
Isali sa Fast and Furious na ano. Binibidyo nyo dyan. Pinay.
Kabayan!
Pinay.
Mga kabayan yan eh.
Nakaka-amaze talaga ang mga mountain dito, no? Akala ko nung nag-aaral pa lang tayo, Ben, yung mga postcard, akala ko hindi totoo. Kaya ano, totoo
Parang
pala, no?
painting lang yun, no?
Totoo pala yun. Oh. Wala tayong kaalam-alam eh.
Kasi ilog lang naman yun. Ilog.
Grabe to, pointed siya, oh.
Diba?
Yan, makikita natin yung mamayang view na yan. Nilagyan na nila ng fence.
Okay lang din na tayo, tanghali na tayo, kasi this mainit na. Uy, arriving naman na daw.
Ha?
Arriving na daw.
Dito na tayo.
Park. Meron yung park na bababa ka na.
Oo, bababa pa tayo eh. Dito siguro.
Speaker, the free new app that lets you stream your favorite radio stations, podcasts, news, sports, and more. And it's the place to win the biggest prizes. My name is Taylor, and welcome to
Uy!
Win a pair of sold-out tickets to see Taylor Swift live
Di
in
ba papasok
Vancouver,
yung
thanks to
park?
Rogers, the presenting
Parking.
sponsor of Taylor Swift
Diba?
Eras Tour. Download Seeker, the free app from the App Store or Google Play, and see Taylor Swift live.
Hindi ba tayo lumagpas?
Sakto lang.
Welcome back, folks. It's a beautiful Saturday here at the Mitsubishi Motors
So alam ko papasok yun eh, no?
The best of the best is back. You said it, Jim. Mitsubishi's lineup of SUVs have been absolutely
malapit
phenomenal.
na.
I think I know their secret. Well, Steve,
Nakadome pa.
what is it?
Oo.
The Mitsubishi Motors No Charge Extended Warranty. That's right, folks. For everyone just tuning in, the Mitsubishi Motors No Charge
Ano
Extended
yung Pepe
Warranty
ko
is
na
available on all SUVs until September
Ang
30th.
ganda ng kalikasan, grabe.
But it's like they're on a whole new level. It's their mindset, Jim. With a 10-year no-charge extended warranty valued at up to $3,750, they're free to play their game with complete peace of mind, knowing they're backed by the best warranty in the business for 10 years.
Bigas pa naman
And that
tayo.
drive is really something with that all-wheel control. It looks like Mitsubishi Motors is on the road.
Kaya ako nagpagas bago pupunta sa inyo. Hindi baka
Oo, ganun ang ginagawa ko dati. Kailangan pupuntan ko siya or at least kalahati. Pag pumunta ko na EMS, dati, ano po?
Conditions apply.
Luxury lakeside living sounds pretty nice. With reduced pricing, it sounds even nicer. Find your maintenance-free estate condo at the streams of Lake
Maligaw, maligaw,
Visit
maligaw.
Jingle.com/the streams. Reduced pricing only on move-in ready suites. Pricing subject to change.
With mobile stations in the same parking lot where you get your pro protein, pasta, and produce,
Saan ba yun?
aka the
Mahinto mo muna
groceries,
ako dito.
filled in the
Ligaw rin sila, wey.
trunk is more
May
convenient
pababa
than-
yun eh. Tapos maraming parking na yun eh.
Ayan nga.
Look, if there's something
Hindi
more
ba tayo
convenient than
lumagpas?
filling up at a mobile station
naman
located less than 100
Si-
meters from the grocery store, where you earn PC Optimum points, it hasn't been
Hindi pa naman
invented
sinabi na Google, no?
yet.
Wala na sinabi na doon sa may tulay.
Kaya nga, sabi niya.
Fight the snack attack. Subway's
Ayan.
new snack wishes are here,
Yan,
and they're
yan,
just
yan.
$4.
$4?
Ay, ito na yan.
I might have $4 in my purse.
Great, and they come on 4-inch ciabatta buns.
There's gotta be $4 in my kid's piggy bank.
Get a couple snack wishes, like the honey mustard ham or BLT.
Wait, Jake owes me $4. What time is it?
3 p.m.
Snack time.
Snack Witch time. Fight snack attacks with Subway's new snack wishes. Price and participation may
Ito,
vary.
ang
Check your app for
hinahanap
pricing.
ko.
just found $4 in the sidewalk.
Oh yeah.
Now's the best time to bring home the cozy comforts of fall for less during the Fall Cozy event at Lazy Boy Furniture Galleries. You'll rake in the savings from our large selection of comfortable Lazy Boy furniture. And today, take 20% off
Dito ka sa
the top
gilid.
prices store-wide. It's the Lazy Boy styles you want at prices you'll love during the Fall Cozy event at Lazy Boy